What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I am absolutely hype right now because things, yes, like Bitcoin and Ethereum and a lot of things are moving. ADA looks great, right? But I'm more hype about one position, and I wanted to kind of bring this to the Matthew Perry 2 channel. If you guys want more content like this, feel free to ask me over on this channel because we have another platform in order to put out more content because we can only do like 3 or 4 videos over on my main channel. And, I want to be able to kind of move videos around. If I want to cover something, I can put it over on the Matthew Perry 2 channel, whatever, right? So this channel, is just going to be for extra videos as well as stock related content and some other things that really may not get like the most traction on my main channel. But let's talk about the position at hand, what you all want to hear me talk about, which is Jasmycoin. Jasmycoin has been absolutely skyrocketing, moving lately, that now I'm up a significant amount over where I was previous. And, I have a million Jasmycoin. I'm hype about where this will go. I'm excited about what this will be. And I hope that you guys are along this journey with me. If you're not, then it's okay. It still has a lot of potential to grow, but make sure you're finding the right times to invest into the position. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are also in the description. Now, don't forget about my Rumble account. If you guys want to follow me on Rumble, feel free to do so. That link is in the description as well. And if you guys are watching on Rumble right now, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. It really does help out, just everything, growth and all of that stuff. Feel free to follow if you are watching on there and you're not following at the current moment. So let's talk about the position at hand, Jasmycoin. Jasmycoin is a play that I've been holding for a little bit now. I've been holding since we did see the full dilution, or at least 97% of the dilution, I've been holding since then. And now we're seeing closer to 99% of the dilution. And if you don't know what dilution is, I will go through that in a couple of seconds. But currently, Jasmycoin is sitting at 6.44% up. It's at 61% of a penny, which is phenomenal because we've seen this kind of resist from that 60% of a penny level, or at least 57% of a penny. So seeing this up at 61, 62% is absolutely amazing. And that means that what I'm holding, which I'm holding at 40% of a penny, you can see that I'm up a significant amount, but we'll get into that as we go into my Coinbase. We're currently seeing this over a $300 million market cap with $59 million worth of volume. So the volume to market cap ratio has always been insanely popular with Jasmycoin because it's on S-tier exchanges. The two S-tier exchanges that are there are Binance and Coinbase. If any project is on S-tier exchanges, it's going to have a decent amount of volume within this bull run. So make sure you guys check that out for any other plays that you want to get into, but that's what you see with Jasmycoin. Again, $59 million worth of volume. The popularity, you're seeing 19% volume to market cap ratio, which does show that popularity. The total supply that's out there is 50 billion. The amount of supply that's in circulation is 49.3 billion. So you're basically looking at 98% of the supply that's out there, 98, 99% of the supply that has been released, which is absolutely phenomenal because now it really just shows nothing but upside where you're not going to have a major amount of dilution to it. Now, since the beginning, we did have a major amount of dilution where it was at $4 all the way down here to where it's worth 60% of a penny. Now, is it going to get back to $4? I would assume that it wouldn't. However, $200 billion market cap is not ridiculous. It is higher than what I expect out of, a standard cryptocurrency project. But if this could be something that truly does take over the space or the data sector, then I feel like it could be worth a lot more. But we'll settle on, lower levels. And then as we see that go forward, we'll still have some left in the pot so that we can see that get to a potentially, a level of $4 or more, depending on what you see within it. Now, as we get closer to the fourth quarter for Japan, that's this January through March, where you will see the fourth quarter lockup, which will be big. No matter how much it is, I think it still will be impactful. Whether it's 1 billion or it's 20 or 30 billion, it still will be impactful. Obviously, the higher end will be more impactful and create more hype around this. Only seeing a 20 billion that's in circulation and 30 billion that could be locked up. However, I'm not pushing for that. I'm pushing for more of like 1 to 5 billion, which will still have a decent size impact. on the price and on the price ceiling as we go along, as we see some of that growth in 2024. But again, it's up to 61% of a penny. It got up to 62% of a penny of a high here. Again, if you look at the markets, you have the S tier exchanges. Majority of the volume does flow on Coinbase and Binance. You're seeing 18%, 10% that flows over here, another 2%. You have the 6% that does flow on the KuCoin as well. And then Kraken holds like 0.18% and so on and so forth, right? Majority of that volume is happening within Binance, Coinbase, and KuCoin there. Now, if we go to my overall position and how much I am holding, so if we look at my portfolio, this is my Coinbase portfolio, you can see that my Jasmycoin is up by $2,100. I invested $4,000 into this at a cost basis of 40% of a penny. And you see now it's at 61% of a penny, meaning that I'm up $2,000, $2,126 on my investment into Jasmycoin. This is currently 28% of my portfolio. As it continues to rise, it will continue to be more of my portfolio because of how much it has risen. Now, I don't plan on taking any profit anytime soon, but I have gone through my exit plan. If you guys want to see that, I do have a video on it, as well as I have my full exit plan on Patreon, where you can see the spreadsheet and you can build your own if you guys want to. If we look at the amount of typical days of hold time, that has increased as well from like 38 to now 40. So we're seeing more people that are holding for longer. It has a standard buy rating where you're at 94% that the trading activity is buying and 6% is selling. The popularity is 140th that's there. But currently, like I said, we hit a $300 million market cap. And this is not the end, right? It can go so much further than where it is. If we look at how this or where this has been over the last year, it found a way to reach 84 cents or 84% of a penny on its way to about 1 cent. And we did see it get up to a level of 73 or 74, 77 is what it says here, percent of a penny. It seems like that 1 penny is going to be a strong resistance, but it's not going to be the major resistance that we think we're going to see, right? We're going to see major levels of resistance when we see the peak of the bull market. And that may be in the range of 20 cents all the way up to $1. Who really knows how big that popularity is going to be or how much that popularity is going to be? We already know we see like tens of millions of dollars into Jasmycoin, which is not typical in some of these plays that are at $100 or $200 million market cap, or even $300 million market cap. So we're definitely seeing a lot compared to the overall volume at a form of like 20%. Anything that's over that level of 10% has an aggressive, level of investing styles, I guess. And then when you see things that are below that 10%, that's like from 5 to the level of like 9%. That's where you have a little bit of popularity and you start getting a sense of that popularity. Anything lower than that doesn't really have the popularity. So Jasmycoin seeing $50 million, worth of volume, $59 million worth of volume in the last 24 hours is really, really good and shows that it does have that popularity. So I'm excited for Jasmycoin. I'm excited for you guys to let me know how much you're up, but I'm up $2,000 so far, and I think it's going to go a lot further than where we are right now. And at a certain point, I will take a little bit of profit, maybe my initial investment, and then sit on all the gravy that is there. So guys, let me know what you're thinking about Jasmycoin and how much you have invested into it, how much you're going to be taking in profit, what's your plan. If you want to check out my exit plan strategy spreadsheet, make sure you check that out. The link will be in the description for my Patreon. But anyways, I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.